if you're having this kind of problem with your KZ,
Oh God!
then you should probably watch this. Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll make a tutorial video on how you can reset your KZ T1 pairing. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, let's go! So let's start off with this. Unlock your phone, and then as you can see, dalawa ang nagre-register na KZ earphone dito sa aking device. So what we need to do is to reset this para mag-pair sila, and isa lang dapat ang lalabas na mag-register, which is KZ T1 lang. So let's start. So first things first, we need to turn off both this KZ T1. So to do that, kailangan lang natin siyang i-hold for 6 seconds. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, wala na siyang ilaw. So let's put it here. And then the next thing we should probably do is, okay, no way. Okay, kailangan nating i-forget both of the device and patayin natin yung Bluetooth ng ating phone. So okay, so the third thing we should do is to hold this both at the same time for 20 seconds para mag factory reset siya or mag auto pair siya ulit. Yan. So kung napansin nyo, nagkaroon siya ng blinking light na kulay purple. So what we're gonna do now is to turn it out na again. Yan. So kung makikita nyo nagbi-blink siya, it indicates na naghahanapan sila sa isa't isa. So yan, nagkaroon na ng isa na nagbi-blink, and yung isa is constantly na para siya nagbabato ng signal. Alright. So what we're gonna do now is to open our Bluetooth again. Turn it on. Yan. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, yan na. Isa na lang yung nade-detect niya since paired na yung dalawa nating earphone. So let's try to connect and let's just wait. Okay, let's test it. So yan, hindi nyo naririnig pero right now I'm listening to a song, and yan, dalawa na sila at the same time playing as one. So yun lang guys, hope you learned something from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys.